So for this DIY, you're going to need a bunch of things. You're going to need a stove, pan, glass bowl, silicone ice tray mold, piping bag, some paper straws, scissors, and also some cellophane lollipop bags. You'll also need, in terms of the actual ingredients itself, some icing sugar, some icing decorations, hot chocolate, some Maltesers, reindeer chocolate bars. You'll need 300 grams of plain chocolate, so I went for Galaxy. You'll also need some cinnamon and some small marshmallows. And here also are these cute sugar decorations that I found in Tesco as well. So firstly, in a pan filled with boiling water, you want to place your Pyrex dish on top, and taking that 300 grams of milk chocolate, you want to then start melting this bit by bit. So it should look something like this. And next you want to take your instant hot chocolate powder and then take 2 tablespoons and then mix this into your melted hot chocolate. And then once that's done, you then want to take about 4 teaspoons of icing sugar and then slowly mix this bit by bit into that melted hot chocolate mix. And whilst you're doing this, you just want to be mindful of how you're mixing it, because you don't want it to turn too gritty. And once that's done, you want to take a teaspoon of vanilla essence and then stir this into your mix. So that's pretty much it from an ingredients point of view. So then next you want to just leave that to cool for about 5 minutes, and then with your spoon you then want to just fill this into that piping bag and then make sure it fills right to the bottom, and then using some scissors you just want to cut this off at the bottom and then slowly pipe this into that silicone mold. And don't worry if it doesn't look too great. Once you've piped in all your chocolate, you just want to then shake that silicone mold slightly and tap it around just so that it takes out all those little air bubbles, and it should look something like this. So then next, taking those paper straws, you just want to cut these in half because the straw itself is quite long, and then taking 2 straws each, you then want to place these into that silicone mold. And once you've done that, it's time to decorate with the mixture of different icing and sugar decorations that you have. And I also tested putting this Maltesers chocolate reindeer, but I found that actually that was quite heavy, so I only did it for the one, and then for the rest I just decorated these with different icing decorations and those marshmallows as well. And once that's done, it should look something like this. And next you want to then leave this in your fridge for around an hour or 2, and this should harden the chocolate molds. And once the chocolate's solidified, you then want to just remove these carefully from your silicone mold. So to make these as the perfect gift, you then want to take the cellophane bags, lollipop bags, and the wire that came with it, and then you just want to place your individual hot chocolate sticks into these bags. And once you've done that for all, they should look something like this. And if you want to treat yourself for Christmas, all you need to do is just fill up your cup with hot chocolate and take that chocolate stick and slowly stir it in till the chocolate fully melts.